Good morning, afternoon, students. Today, we will be discussing an interesting programming concept, squaring digits. In this programming exercise, you are required to implement a function that takes an integer as input, squares every digit of the number, and returns the resulting integer. For the number 9119, the first digit is 9. When we square 9, we get 81. The second digit is 1. Squaring 1 gives us 1. The third digit is 1. Again, squaring 1 gives us 1. The fourth and final digit is 9. Its square is 81. Concatenating these squared digits gives us 811,181. Feel free to pause as well as ask questions in the comments section below. Let's dive into the code. Here is the function signature. Public static int square digits, int number. Inside the square digits function, we will follow these steps. Step 1. Convert the input number to a string to enable easy digit manipulation. Step 2. Create a variable to store the squared digit results. Step 3. Iterate over each digit in the number string using a loop. Convert the character digit back to an integer. Square the digit. Convert the squared digit back to a string and concatenate it to the result string. After iterating over all the digits, convert the result string back to an integer and return it as the final result. That's it. We have successfully implemented the square digits function in C#. It breaks down the input number into its individual digits, squares each digit, and then concatenates them to form a new integer. Remember to test your implementation with different inputs to ensure it works correctly. I hope this explanation helps you understand the solution in C#. Practice implementing and experimenting with this code to strengthen your programming skills. Thank you, everyone, for your attention during this lecture on solving the squaring digits problem in C#. I hope you found this topic insightful and informative. If you enjoyed this lecture and would like to receive more programming-related content, please consider subscribing to our channel or newsletter to stay updated with our future lectures and tutorials. I encourage you to practice implementing the square digits function on your own. Try different test cases and explore variations of the problem to deepen your understanding of the concepts we discussed today. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any aspect of this lecture, please feel free to ask your questions in the comments section. I will be more than happy to assist you. Your feedback is valuable to us. If you have any suggestions or ideas for future topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know. We appreciate your input and strive to provide content that meets your learning needs. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our next lecture. Happy coding!